channel. In today's video, I am using the Bretman Rock palette that he made with Wet n Wild. I tried to make it a review, but I kind of suck at talking with the camera, so that didn't work out very well. This palette is actually super duper pretty and it has 15 colors and a lot of glitters, so I wanted to make this look a festival look because festival season does start this week. So I just wanted to go ahead and do a little bit more of something that I usually don't do in my channel much, and I should because that's literally like the lifestyle that I live. So I honestly don't know why I don't do more festival looks, and I think that this year or this festival season I'm gonna go ahead and actually focus more on festival looks, kind of to make my channel stand out a little more towards the EDM community and just towards the YouTube channel community also. I'm really excited about this video. It is something very new to me and obviously to y'all. So if y'all don't like these types of looks that are kind of more out there and more glittery, then video is not for you. But if you are more into it, if you would like to watch it, then go ahead and keep watching. And as always, thank you so much for watching my videos and giving me the time of day. I am very thankful. I recently hit 300 subscribers, so I'm super excited about that. And I also want to give a shout out to Cameron for always doing such a great job on my intros. I honestly love this intro a lot. I'm very, very grateful for your time. And she also has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna go ahead and put her link in the description down below so y'all can go ahead and check her out and subscribe to her. I don't want to make my intro so long. I already talked a lot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna go ahead and use Flaminghoe. Honestly, trying new palettes that I haven't used before kind of scares me. But it looks kind of blendable as of right now. Like I said, it's just the pigment. So I grabbed a fluffy brush and now I'm gonna blend it out. So now I'm gonna go in using Feline Myself, which is this one. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my outer corner to blend it with the pink. So the pink by itself blended very nice. So I don't know how it's gonna blend in with the purple. So I'm actually scared for that. But we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the same fluffy brush that I was using for the pink and blend it all in together. So the colors actually blended very well together and I'm glad for that. So now I'm gonna go to my favorite part, which is my lid space, and I'm gonna go ahead and use a glitter like always because what festival look doesn't have glitter? So for this one I am gonna use the color Deeper, which is the blue color. And when I saw it, I was immediately attracted to that color. But for this look, I kind of wanted to use the blue one to match my hair. I'm just kidding. I just wanted to use the blue one. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. To cut my crease, I'm going to go ahead and use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. And the reason to why I am using primer instead of concealer to cut my crease is because I want the glitter to stick and I don't know how well these glitters work. So I need something to make the shadow stick to my eyelid just in case the glitters are kind of powdery instead of pressed. Guys, I am definitely screaming. It is so pigmented. I don't know. I was actually scared that the glitter wasn't gonna look that well, but it actually does. So I'm just gonna grab a little more because I honestly don't need to even use a lot, and it doesn't even have any fallout. It's so metallic-y and so glittery. I don't even know what to say. I'm actually super happy. I'm actually gonna go back with the brush that I was using, Feline Myself, and just kind of blend the blue and the purple together to not have any harsh lines. For my waterline, I am using the LA Colors Jumbo Pencil in the color Tropical Bliss. So for glitter, because festival looks always have to have glitter or jewels, but in this occasion I'm going to use glitters. I am using the Lunatics Moon Dust. I just got this today, so I don't know what color it is. I'm going to go ahead and open it to see. And for glitter glue, I am using the Hard Candy Glitter Stay. So the glitter was in the color Jelly, and I'm just going to go ahead and actually put glue all over right here, and it's going to end right here. Before that, you can obviously wear highlighter if you want. I am not going to put any because I just don't want like it to be so shiny. For lips, I'm going to go ahead and use one of the lip glosses that came in the Bretman Rock collection. So I actually got the pink iridescent one in the color Freaky and the nude one in the style Fearless. I already tried this one and I actually really didn't like the way it looked. So I'm going to go ahead and try the other one and see if this one you could tell a little more, and maybe top it off with the pink iridescent one. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it.